Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in tutorial I will be showing you how to collect data using the Google Forms. Let's get started. So we'll just be going to google.com. Here you'll type Google Forms. So this is the name, Google Forms. Just click here. You'll have this page. So here just select Google Forms free online survey for personal use. Click here. They do have Google have two options for their Google Forms. One is personal use and the other one is the business use. So we will be just using it for personal. So let's get started here and click go to Google Forms. As I'm already logged in to my account, to my Gmail account, but before this step, they will require you to log in with your Gmail account. As I'm already logged in, so they brought me directly to the Google Forms. In here, we do have some samples, which is pre-created. Here, contact information, party invite, and so t-shirt sign up or event registration, they do have all those things, but let's get started with a simple one so we can use our own design. Click here on the blank one. Okay, so what we can do here, you can see here, this is the untitled, so we will just give the title here. This is question and this is responses. So two things we can do with that. One is question, one is responses. Let's see, we will go step by step and I will go a bit of slow so you can learn how to create Google Form. It's more useful for personal use, for office use, for small offices, and you will see how it works. Even you can track your kids' school materials, how they do their homeworks, how they learning. So they will just sending you all the details on these forms. You can invite, you can make forms for parties. You can make forms for meeting with friends. They will just like add their timings, and you will have a notification for them. It's more useful, and there's a lot on Google Forms, which I will just cover some of them in this records. So let's see. So first thing, we will just give it a title. Let's give it a title that will be okay. Let's give it a title. Resume collecting for new jobs. Okay, so here we will just like, here we are just to test Google Forms. Okay, so what will be our first question? And from here you can see we have customized themes here. We have preview, which will be how it looks to other people, so we can preview it, and setting, we can set it up, and send, we can send our forms to all the parties that we want them to contribute and send us their details. So I will go step by step. Here we'll just select a color for our, as right now we have this color, purple, so we'll just select the orange one. See, our background changed to orange. And then background color, this color here, we will just change it to like, let's see, this one. Font style, it's basic, let's change it to formal, so you can see it's changed to formal. And then from setting, what we can do is like settings. So it's general, presentation, quizzes, and here we will be like collect email addresses. Do you want us to collect email addresses once they're replying us back? If we check this, they will require us to put their email addresses, otherwise they will be unable to send the forms back to us. Require sign in. So you can see if you want them to require to sign in, you can limit it to one person. So that's like you want one person to reply at the time. Here, respondent can edit after submit, see summary chart and text responses. So here, if you allow them, they can resubmit their questionnaires, but as per your demand, you can select all these options from them. Presentations show progress bar. So in this one, they will show you the progress bar, how many replied. Shuffle questions order. It's like if you're making quiz, you need to just like send the question to each and every person in different orders. So just to minimize the cheating of that specific topic. Show link to submit another response. So if you select this, they will be able to send another response. Confirmation message. This confirmation message will be like, hey, thank you, we got your resume. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So you will see how this works. This is the time once they submit their documents or they reply to our Google form, they will receive this message here, but I will show you like practically. So let's save this here. First question, please tell us about yourself. Okay, for this one, they automatically the Google form select long answer as they need to tell something about themselves, so they need to have space on to write, and that for that one we will just have paragraph here. Here we will just, if you want to duplicate the same thing, we can duplicate it, we can delete this one, or we can require them to have, they have to fill it up, otherwise they won't be able to submit it. So let's duplicate it here and then say, please write your phone number. So once you once you write the words here, Google Form automatically know what you're talking about, and then here they will just select it automatically for you. Like they select for me short answer, so they will just write their phone number here. Let's duplicate this one again. Come here, please sign and date. So here they will just sign the form and they will select a date from this part here, and I will show you how that works here. See, you can see here, so that will be Monday year. But once you go to submit the forms, this is what you will see there on the other end. So, and let's see one more, and that's it. So how many years of experience do you have? Okay, so here we'll just say how many years of experience do you have. Here you'll just select, from here we can select different tools. You can see it, short answer, paragraph, multiple choices, checkboxes, drop down, file upload, liner scale, multiple choice guide, checkbox guide, date, time. You can select any of them. But for this one, as they will tell us about their experience, so you will just select from here short answer. Okay, so we are almost done with our designs, and let's go now to our how this will look on the other end. Here, just click here. Okay, so now what we can do is we can just preview it as other person, the person that they received. So let's see, preview. Okay, so they will receive a page like this. This is required, those are not required, and here they did all the things that we have with the stars, those are required here. So once we push required from there, this will all mark it with the red star here. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see how this works. So coming back to our forms here, that was just a preview. So now let's see how we can send it to other people. Here, just click on the send button. You can email it to them directly from here. And you can write like the subject, collecting this. I've invited you to fill out a form, include from an email, or you can directly email it to them. You can share it in Facebook or Twitter, or here you can get the link, so you can just share the link and they will be able to open it directly from their browser. But in this here, embed HTML, they will be able to use this on their websites, and they can get a lot with that, like as an HTML file. But what we will do, we will just like use the email, or for this video I will just use the link. So here, as you can see, this link is very long. Most people will think it's a spam, which is not. So let's here shorten URL. Here, see, now we have a shortened URL, so we can send it to the other parties. Let's send it. Let's copy from here. We already copied, and close this one. Let's see that we send that to somebody and they receive it, and now they're gonna open it in a new browser. So I will just copy and paste it here. This is the link that we are going to send it to other people to submit their data for us. Okay, just click here, enter. Okay, so this is the form. Let's start and let's see. Hey, I'm just testing the forms. That's it. Phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Today date is 12/24/2019. How many years of experience do you have? 5 years. Okay, just submit it here. Hit the submit button here, and this is the time that we just wrote like, hey, thank you, we got your resume, we will get back to you as soon as possible. So they will receive this, and that's it. So now let's go how we will receive the data back from them. So we are coming here, and in our form that we have designed, you can see that on responses, we do have one response here. Let's open this one and see who responded. So we have one response here. Hey, I'm just testing this the forms. So this is what I wrote on while I was replying. This is my phone number, like the random one, and this is the date, and 24. and 5 years of experience that I have just wrote it there. So this is how it looks like. So now let's see, we have multiple people like 100, 200, 1,000, 2,000 people that they reply to our forms. How we can analyze all of those data? So what you can do is, once you're in summary, we will just go here and create a spreadsheet from here. Just click here, create a spreadsheet, name the spreadsheet like this thing, the Google Forms. Or if you have an existing spreadsheet, you can merge this data to that, but I will be just creating a new one. So like create. Okay, so here you can see we have created our Excel spreadsheet online. Now if you're getting any much of data, doesn't matter, 1, 10,000, 10,000, that will be coming automatically to your spreadsheet or Excel sheet. From here, you can see you will have timestamp and all the information that you have requested. And from here, you can share this file with anybody in your company that you want to share the data with. Or you can go to File here, and you can see you can use all these options to import, make a copy, download it to your computer, so you can email it directly, move to trash, like the complete, or print it from here. So that's all for today about the Google form. Soon I will be coming with more Google Forms, like how to use it for specific tools and specific. Please leave your comment below what else you are looking for to know about Google Form. I'll be glad to personally reply to all of your questions. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and have a good one. Thank you so much.